Так, едем по утреннему Копенгагену. What's your name?
Abdi Shakur.
My name is Bulat.
Bulat.
Меня везет Абди Шакур.
He's from Somalia.
Родом из Сомали. Но сейчас датчанин, Денмарк. Муслим.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Muslim. Allahu Akbar.
Сейчас находимся в центре. Едем к русалке. Русалка на датском языке Little Mermaid. По-русски русалка, по-украински укралка, по-белорусски белалка, по-казахски казалка. Но это шутка КВНовская.
And you take, if you come in this street, so you take picture this way. It's the biggest way in Copenhagen. Jose Anasan.
And many cycles.
Yeah, you take this one. That's way.
Старинные остатки крепости Лола Фрамона. Удобное такси, можно и потолок снимать через потолок. Итак, это Дания, 60-я страна. Вечером ждет Барселона, после Барселоны Андорра, Тулуза, Ницца, Монте-Карло, Цюрих, Лихтенштайн, Берлин, Киев, Алматы. Начало было очень тяжелым, конечно. Бразилия, Боливия, Колумбия, Чили, Аргентина, Амстердам, Прага, Братислава, Вена, Сараево, Зеница, снова Сараево, Любляна, Подгорица, Тирана, Атенс, Афины, София, Скопье, Белград, Будапешт, Бухарест, Кишинев, Минск, Киев, Вильнюс, Рига, Таллин, Хельсинки, Стокгольм, Осло, Рейкьявик и вот Копенгаген.
Arabic, Somali, and Swahili.
Swahili, yes, African.
Yes.
Africa. My rhymes for you in 7 languages. Das ist gute Kunde, eine knappe Stunde. Wir am Leben bleiben, die Kantor schreiben. You are very lazy, you are slightly crazy, you become the richer. Thank you, our teachers. Je mangeais pour vivre, tu calcules calibre, et lisez le livre, c'est pas à suivre. Es un rada libra, parliare un libro e la prende coce dia tarda noce. Cele casa vostra, cele cosa nostra, ce nostro дикана, ком вулкано. Сөйлетелем қазақша, таблады көбақша, киржі бізге наша, арақ және тапанша. За столом собрались все друзья, сочинил я сразу этот стих. Ну давайте выпьем за меня, чем скажете хуже от других. Почекайте хвилиночку, я же бачу дівчиночку. It's finished.
And this is an airport. This is a second train station. Airport.
Airport, huh? And here very expensive taxi.
Yes.
Restaurant.
Everything is expensive.
But many Muslim.
Yes. And where are you from? Which city? From which city?
Almaty in Kazakhstan.
It's a big city.
Yes.
Kazakhstan. Almaty.
1.5 million
Oh.
people.
Oh, Kazakhstan.
All Kazakhstan 17 millions.
17 million. Okay. And
One city.
City. What is the name city?
Almaty.
Almaty. Okay.
And in Somali, Mogadishu.
Yes, Mogadishu. Yeah.
And have you children?
Yes, 3.
Three sons?
Yes. That is Arctic Museum. That's one.
Good. Mangitak.
Yeah. That's Arctic Museum.
And very, very old.
Yes.
Not,
Copenhagen is very old.
Not 25 years.
Not more than 25 years.
And your children speak English, Somali.
Yes, English. My big children, girl, she speak English, Somali, Danish, Arabic.
Four.
4. And she's 18 years. And this yellow girl house
Okay.
is living royal family soldier. Royal family garden.
I think yellow house from China, no?
No, that's the yellow house. Is living in royal family garden soldiers.
30 years ago,
Yes.
I was soldier in Deutsche Demokratische Republik
Oh, okay.
as occupant
Yes.
from USSR, and my service for Germans, but contra Germans. Why?
And now you working?
Why?
Now you working for?
Now no working.
No working.
20 years ago, I'm studying in Paris,
Okay.
and the French language for me.
So you speak in French?
The first language between foreign
Okay.
languages. And after 10 years ago, I worked in Department of Futsal and Beach Soccer.
Food.
In Football Federation
Football?
of Kazakhstan, yes.
Okay.
And by football, I visited 35 countries.
Okay.
And now plus 35 countries and finish 70 maybe.
Oh.
This green
Yes.
Green
Green area.
Green City.
Lille Myanmar.
Green City is a Muslim city. It's here.
Yes, it's here. In Lille Myanmar. That is a tourist bus. And we turn round and we stop here.
Okay.
Because it's a Lille Myanmar is there.
Big port.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, danke schön, merci beaucoup, Didi Madlobo, Cobrahmet, gracias, arigato, çok teşekkür ederim, muito obrigado, shukran.
Shukran.